So we want to add a few more details to the forward roll today. First, I forgot to have foot IK last time. Doesn't make much of a difference unless you look really closely down to a single pixel. But looks pretty good. And I'm also going to go into move forward and decrease the end of the graph. Okay, I like that better. I should also rename this just like the other scene. Runtime. And I'm going to get rid of all the unnecessary lines in the move forward script. Just delete these notes. We don't need them anymore. Okay. So I think we sort of have a first draft for the forward roll. I think it looks good. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.